Someone needs to see this and serve it at their restaurant because it's amazing.
My name is Ghada, and I'm from Palestine, from Nablus, the village of Sabastia, and I own Sanabel Chef Mama G as a bakery.
My name's Keisha. I'm from East Preston, Nova Scotia, and I'm the owner of Comfort Foodies. Me and Ghada, we initially met. I went to her house, bring my dish that I was going to let her try, and then she had her dish that I was going to try, and then from there, kind of went in blind. So I didn't know what she was going to be bringing, and she didn't know what I was going to be bringing. So we got to meet. I seen that she had Ka'ak, and I brought initially mac and cheese. And then from there, I just got to taste everything, the different things that are traditionally served with the Ka'ak, the za'atar, the olive oil, the
traditional breakfast for Palestinian, like which is we have cheese, the Nablus cheese, the olive, the oil, and the labneh, which is dried yogurt with the salt in it. And we usually eat it with bread, flat bread, or with Ka'ak. She came with the idea with the
lobster roll filling, just because, you know, I'm African Nova Scotian and we're here on the East Coast, and what's better than lobster, right?
I really love the idea because as an immigrant coming here, I really enjoyed every summer the lobster roll. And I wish if we can make the Ka'ak itself to be as a lobster roll, but because it's like a thin circle, so we came with the idea to do it as a kind of dip.
Yes. I just never really expected the lobster to pair well with it, you know, kind of just experiment. You try it, if it works, it doesn't. And then just as we kind of like were testing it in the kitchen and just seeing how it worked, then we got the idea that, okay, let's add the sumac because the sumac has like a lemony taste to it. So just, you know, kind of having that base, that foundation to go off of, and then just building from there.
Back home, back in the village, this is the way my grandma, she used to do her bread, to make it with the old starter, like she will mix the day for everyday use, and she will have little bit of the bread, of the starter, and she will hide it in between the flour for the next day to use. Food is not only about just to eat and to fill your stomach, but it's education. It's like when you do food, when you do a dish, when you cook a dish, you are educating other people about it. It's not only just to sit. And that is also one of my goals for my bakery dream, like to do dishes and to talk about it, to bring your from back home, to add it to mine, and we talk about culture and we talk about food.
I tell a lot of people, you don't know if you like it if you don't try it, right?
Exactly, yeah.
And then it changes people's mind a lot of time, because me, I'm a person, I'll be like, try it. And then they're like, no. And then they'll eventually try it, be like, okay, you were right. You know, it's just about your mindset, having an open mind. That looks good.
It is.
Like show us, maybe.
Someone needs to see this and serve it at their restaurant because it's amazing.
It means a lot, to be honest. Like just to look at it, it's a piece of art.
I would say our chemistry and being open-minded,
our culinary background and love for sharing,
makes us the perfect pairing. Okay, good. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.